To add an admin to your Facebook page, first open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you are currently on your business page. Now, look at the bottom right corner and tap the profile menu icon. Next, scroll down to find the Settings and Privacy section, then tap on it. After that, select Settings once again. Now, scroll until you find the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on Page Setup and you'll see several options. Here, choose Page Access. Inside this section, you'll find 3 options. Under the People with Facebook Access option, tap Add New next to it. You'll now see details about page access. Scroll down and press Next. In the search bar, type your friend's username and select their profile from the results. Once you open it, you'll see access details along with a control option. If you turn on the toggle next to it, that person will have full control of the page. You can switch this on or off depending on your preference. After that, tap the Give Access button at the bottom. Facebook will ask you to enter your profile password. Type in your password and tap Confirm. Once done, your friend's name will appear on the page access list. Remember, the admin invitation will expire in 31 days, so make sure your friend accepts it within that time to become an official page admin.